Hi, welcome back to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, we are discussing about Docker volumes and I will explain Docker volume commands. In previous video, I explained about what is Docker volume, where we can use Docker volume. In this video, I will show you through practically how this Docker volume commands used on Ubuntu Linux machine. To run Docker volume -help, it will show list of relevant Docker volume commands: create, inspect, ls, prune, rm. So these commands how to use I will show you in this session. First of all, Docker volume ls, it will show list of all the Docker volumes. At present it does not have any volumes. It will show only driver and volume name, so it does not have any volumes at present. Now I will show you how to create Docker volume. Docker volume create myvol volume, sorry, typo. Now you can check list of Docker volume. At present I created one volume, that is my volume, and the name of volume is my volume. So driver is local. Now I will show you how to attach this Docker volume to container. I will create the container. Container name is mycontainer and the image name is ubuntu, and give the mount -mount and type -type. It will identify Docker which volume it has. At present I am explaining about Docker volume, so for that reason I kept -type is equal to volume. So I will take this command through official website. If you go and check, this is the Docker volume official website. Here it will show the how to create the volume and give the container and attach it to the container. So here in case I will give the -mount, type is equal to volume, and source I provided and destination I provided. Now I run this command. It will take time to download the image and create the container. Now Docker container is downloaded and created container. Now you can check Docker value, Docker -a. Now status is created. Now container is started, so it will show the status up 17 seconds. Now you can go and check inside of Docker container, Docker ps Docker exec, and give the container id /bin/bash. Now see the target directory I given, that path is myapp. So here in this app directory I will go and create one file, that is test file. At present it has one file, that is test. So I will give the syntax inside of the file, test. It won't work inside of container, so for that what will I do? I will install the VIM, update apt install VIM. I install and update it, and I install by using apt-get install VIM. So now it will ask the zone, so I selected file Asia. Then I will provide the time zone, that is Kolkata, so 44 I selected. So if you choose your location and enter it. At present, now you can check test file. Inside of test I created save and command, exit the container, check docker ps. At present it has only one container. Again I will try to create another container and I attach it to this volume to particular container. I am trying to create another container. The container name is mycontainer1 and --- mount type is equal to value. Don't forget to mention this type, otherwise it is very difficult to identify Docker. So if you give this type is equal to value, then it is easy to identify which type of storage. This one. Now I created another container. Now you can check docker ps-a. Now it has two containers. Docker start. I'm trying to start the container. At present status is created. Now I'm trying to start the container. Now check docker ps. Now at present two containers are running. Now you can check docker exec-it and give the container id /bin/bash. So now you can check myapp cd myapp ls cat test. So this is the way to attach with the value. So if I delete this container, but data won't affect. So I will show you this one also. Now exit the container, docker ps docker rm-f. This command will remove the running container forcefully. Now you can check docker ps. At present it has only one container, that is mycontainer1. Now you can go and check this, run the command. ls. This is a command to log into the container. So this is the container id, and now you can check cd myapp ls cat test. This is the way of attach to the value to the particular container. If container is deleted unfortunately, but data won't affect, this is the value how to attach to the running container. Now I stopped the container and remove the container. Now you can check docker ps. At present it does not have any containers. Now I will try to remove the docker value. By using rm command and give the my value, that is, now you can check ls. So this is the way to remove the docker value. This is the list of the commands. So I showed this create and ls rm, and now you can check the value, docker value inspect. So before going to check the docker value inspect, you have to create value. This inspect show where the value mount path and the name and scope, and when you created this value it will show entire details by using docker value inspect. And one more command, docker value prune. This command deleted unused docker value and it will create the space. This is the way of using docker values. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please keep in comment section. Don't forget to mention mount. Don't forget to --- mount type is equal to value while creating container and attach to the container to value.